Okay, could I be real with you for a moment? If you're here, most likely you're struggling, and just maybe you're tired getting up, feeling sluggish, bloated, or just off. I know you have been trying your best, eating healthy, working out, or even trying those trendy cleanse, but nothing sticks. Sounds familiar? Here's the truth. This is something that nobody is talking about. It's not your fault. Our body is under attack from the processed food, the environment, and even stress. But here's the good news. There is a simple way to restore your body, eliminating toxin, and feeling the best you've ever felt in years. And it's not complicated. So let me introduce you to the 30 Days Detox Challenge. Well, this is not just another diet or cleanse. It's a proven system designed to detoxify your body, supercharge your energy, and give you the tools to keep the results for life. And the best part, it's simple, effective, and most importantly, it works. Let me break it down for you. Number one, you'll get a daily detox plan. You will enjoy a carefully crafted meal plan filled with nutrition-packed, delicious food. No starving, no bland meals, not at all. Just real food that fuels the body and naturally flush out toxins. You'll feel full, satisfied, and energized without hunger or feeling like you're missing something. Number two, a guided workout. Next, we focus on movement. These are easy to follow, low impact workouts you can do from home or anywhere. No hours in the gym, no impossible routines. No, not at all. These workouts boost your circulation, improve digestion, and help you burn fat, which is a plus. Number three, mind and body connection. Let's talk about stress for a moment. Do you know stress alone can sabotage your body ability to detoxify and burn fat? We'll teach you some simple techniques to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and align your body and mind. When your body and mind works together, the results are life-changing. The fourth thing you'll get is a hydration blueprint. Most people do not realize this, but water is your body's ultimate detox tool. You'll learn exactly how to use hydration to flush out toxin, improve digestion, and boost your energy naturally. I know what you might be thinking. This sounds good, but would it actually work for me? Well, let me tell you, yes, it will work for you. This challenge have already helped thousands of people reset their body, help them to feel incredible, and help them to get the health that they dream of. And to make sure you get everything you need to succeed, I'm throwing in 2 additional bonuses. Bonus number 1, VIP group coaching. Well, this is where the magic happens. You will get access to me within a small group of motivated, like-minded challengers to help motivate you, keep you on track, answer the question that you may be struggling with your health or physique, or within the detox process itself. And that value by itself, just to come and chat with me for that month, that value is $2,497. You get it all included when you get your detox today. Bonus number 2, you'll get our brand new release of Macro Counting for Beginners, the guide, entire book, absolutely free, shipped to you immediately. Within the book, you will learn all the concept of macronutrition, health, tips, strategies. I'll be giving you an entire blueprint exactly how to achieve your ultimate health, your physical fitness goals, all within that Macro Counting for Beginners book. It's packed with recipes and tips and strategies for all types of food choices and individuals. It's a must-have. I'm giving it to you absolutely free. The value is $25. Again, it's absolutely free. But wait, there is more. For the first 100 individuals, I'll be giving away 2 additional gifts. Gift number 1 is our colon 14-day cleanse. We are launching our supplement line and we're giving it to you absolutely free. It's packed with stuff like papaya enzymes and aloe ferox, which is a family of aloe. We have ginger and acai and so much good healthy roots and herbs and fruits within it to help to clean and detoxify your body, supercharge it, and accelerate the detoxification process. That's gift number 1. Gift number 2 is our green juice superfood, which is packed with a ton of nutrients. We know that we may not have the time to eat our greens, or kale, or lettuce, or cucumbers, but we know that these are the fruits that can help us to detoxify easy and faster. All you have to do now is put 1 spoon in a cup and you could drink all your daily greens within 1 shot. Not only that, it helps with the detoxification and also help to lose a couple pounds in the process as well. You getting those 2 free gifts included absolutely free. So let's talk about how the investment look like. Normally, our 30 days detox challenge is priced at $997. And yes, it's worth every penny. But for a limited time, I'm making it available to you for just $297. And the good news is that's the fraction of the cost for a nutritionist, personal trainer, and a month worth of takeout meals. Just think about it for a moment. $297 to transform the way you look and feel in just 30 days. And because I believe in it so much, I'm backing it up with my 100% money back guarantee. Here's how it works. If after the 30 days you don't feel lighter, less bloated, have more energy, don't see any form of results, feel free, just contact me and you get a full refund. The good news is this: it's literally 0 risk for you. But here is the catch. This offer would not last for long. The spots are limited for the first 100 people that come in. Those bonus will be gone. So don't wait. Your health deserves this. Just imagine waking up 30 days from now feeling more lighter, more energized, and more confident. No more struggles, no more guessing, just results. This is your moment. Take the first step. I'll be right there with you for every step of the way. So go ahead, click the link right now and come join us on the 30 Days Detox Challenge, and I will see you on the inside.